Greetings bakers, let's make chicken strips or chicken tenders. I'm using these chicken tenderloins. I removed them from their packet and placed them in this bowl. I'm using 1 lemon that I sliced up as so and just squeezing the juice onto the chicken tenderloins and massaging it all together as you can see here. I'm even using some of the lemon to clean the chicken. As you can see, I'm using it to scrub some of the chicken. Also, I removed a white part of the chicken tenderloins. It imparts a gummy texture that's unpleasant, so if you're able to, please also do that. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt to also mix into the chicken. The next step is to add in 2 cups of pickle brine. If you have buttermilk, also add in 2 cups of buttermilk as well. And after mixing it in, we'll just set it aside and let it sit for about 30 minutes to 2 hours or even overnight. The longer you let it sit, the better the flavor. Moving on to the breading, add in 2 cups of flour into your container of choice, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of any all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Jamaican curry powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and mix that together. I'm using a fork. You can even use a whisk, but I find the fork better for mixing in all of the crevices of this container. Get a plate, and once your chicken is done sitting, dip it in the flour and coat it. I recommend using 1 hand for dipping and the other hand for coating because it just keeps things cleaner and the ingredients do not clump on your finger. Once you're done coating all of that chicken, place it into hot oil that I was already allowing to heat up while I was dipping and breading the chicken. So yeah, place your coated tenderloins into your heated oil and allow the first side to become golden brown. Afterwards, flip it over and allow the second side to become golden brown. The second side usually takes a shorter amount of time to cook than the first side, so maybe I cook the first side for about 5 to 7 minutes and the second side for maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Once that's done, remove your chicken strips and place them into the container of your choice. And sport your beautiful chicken strips, show them off because you deserve it. Now I'm just tearing this one open to show you what it looks like inside, and it was absolutely delicious. Please subscribe.